if you are a business owner, if you have a team, if you are a leader in an organization, you really want to help your team become a better problem solver, because they would be more valuable for the organization. And the way you do that, you need to really understand and know each person's style. When we talk about diversity and inclusion, we talk about actually spending time to understand and see the world from the other person's perspective, right? So understand what it is that our team members see, and how do they see the world, and how do they solve problems? What is the thing that they bring to the table? What are the skills, the qualities, the perspectives that they bring to the table? And how can we as a team maximize individual strength, but also team strength, right? Because if you think about team and if you think about culture, what culture is nothing more than just shared values, right? So when it comes to building a team, we have shared values, but different perspectives, different personalities, right? We believe in the same thing, but we come with different perspectives. And how can an organization really build a problem-solving culture unless they understand each individual that they have on the team? And we have found that using personality assessment helps us understand, what is the best way to motivate a person? What is the best way to help a person, take more responsibility and empower them? What is the best way, that we can utilize someone's skills, right? What is their perspective? Based on each person's personality style, they have a different way of solving problems. And we have found, because we're using the DISC personality assessment, we have found that according to the DISC personality assessment, we have basically 4 different, main, dominant styles, and each of those styles solve problem in a different way. So some people might say, well, I'm not a good problem solver. Yeah, they might not know how they solve problems. They might not spend time to identify what it is the problem solving model and how it is that they solve problem and they did solve problem in the past. And what we're going to do, we're going to help them identify what that model is. I'm going to help them identify how they can then extract the model, right? Understand the elements of the model, and then apply that model again and again in their career, so they maximize the impact that they can make in the world. So if you're curious about learning your model, of achievement, how do you solve problems based on your personality style, if you're interested to bring this to your team, I invite you to join me on a Problem Solving Masterclass on August 9th, where I'm going to share more about how can you, become a better problem solver. And if you are the team leader, how can you empower your team to solve problems at their level, so the problems never need to escalate beyond the level where they can be solved. So I hope you join us. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to see you there.